Wait, there's no light.
Come on.
Oh, right, I just turned the light on. Right, okay, so hi everybody, this is Foundation Retreat. It is day 6, so we are truly near the end. We've got today and one more day left. Tomorrow's day 7. So today is day 6, and it does correspond to Ajna. Ajna, known as also the third eye in terms of energy centres. Yeah? So Ajna has 2 vortices or 2 petals. The corresponding sound is Om. The corresponding colour is indigo, and the corresponding energy field is the astral energy field. The corresponding element in terms of the Western model, the 5 elements, would be ether again, like yesterday. However, if we look at the Sanskrit model, this day and this harmonic has a different element, and it's called praktiri, yeah? And this element actually means spiritual essence. So it doesn't have a shape per se as the other ones do, it's just like a little bit shapeless, but it is actually a 6th element, which is not known in our Western model of 5 elements. And the sense that is connected to our Ajna, or third eye chakra, is the sense of light. So it makes sense. Yeah, that's when I can see the light, yeah? So the reason why we've gone to 2 petals here is because you've got Ida and Pingala. Do you remember how we learned about those 2 energy channels? Yeah? Also can be akin to Shakti and Shiva, if you've seen that before, with the Kundalini energy as it rises up, male and female energies. And what happens is it meets here, so it's basically where the 2 dualities meet, the male and the female, the electric and the magnetic. So they meet here, and you know, if you are an adept that's really working on it, at this point you come into oneness, and everything becomes lovely from there on out. So that's why we've got 2 petals, and it's also telling us that it's the end of duality as well. That's where duality ends, supposedly. So that is our information in relation to the chakras and the energy fields. And then onto a little bit about what we're going to be looking at today. And that is charging and discharging consumer products. So we kind of learn the basics of what it is that we can do to clear our food and drink if we want to do an energy clearing for that stuff. We're going to have a chat about the other classes that are a part of the Fusion 7 Healing Mystery School. And we're going to start to go into some guidelines as a facilitator and your practice. Even if you are facilitating just for yourselves, right, you're still facilitating, and there are some do's and don'ts just to guide you with all of that. We're going to look today at dealing with death, which is going to be an interesting one because there are many facets to that particular workshop. It's about how you deal with the death of another, how you deal with death in general, for example. If we want to, we can perhaps learn how to communicate with those that have passed. So we're going to explore different facets of that. After that, we're going to do a guided ceremony where we get an opportunity to meet our guides. And the interesting thing with this one is not just about meeting any old guide that comes in. The most important aspect of this one is to be able to determine that the being or entity that comes through, if it's benevolent or malevolent, okay? Because you don't really know if it's for your highest good or not. And so we need to be able to have that discernment because there's loads of energies out there, as we already know. We're going to look at divine timing and manifesting. And we're going to then, for the rest of the day, start to explore the beginning or foundations of sacred geometry, because that is going to set you up for tomorrow, which is all about the Merkaba. So that is everything for today. Thank you for watching, follow, share. We are on YouTube, Periscope, Facebook at Helen Makes Miracles and Instagram. See you tomorrow for day 7. Ciao.